Equatorial region. Location. The equatorial region lies in and around the equator, constituting the torrid zone of the Earth, extending from 5 degrees north to 5 degrees south of the equator. The equatorial region includes the Amazon basin of Brazil, North America, the Congo-Zaire basin in Africa, Southeast Asian region, Malaysia and Indonesia. The amazing Amazon rainforest. 10% of world's known species and 20% of the world's bird species are found in the Amazon rainforest. There are also about 2.5 million insect species and about 40,000 plant species. Let us study a little more about the Amazon rainforest. The equatorial region receives direct rays from the sun and is therefore hot all through the year. The harsh sun rays heat up the land and also cause constant evaporation from the water bodies. The equatorial region experiences high humidity and heavy rainfall throughout the year. That is why this region is also known as hot wetlands. Another feature of the equatorial climate is its convectional rainfall. What is convectional rainfall? When the sun heats up the earth, it causes the warm air to rise. This warm and moisture-laden air rises up. It cools and condenses in the atmosphere to form clouds. At a later time in the day, there is precipitation and it rains. This kind of rainfall is also accompanied by thunder and lightning. Convectional rainfall is also called the 4 o'clock shower. Vegetation. The equatorial region is thick with forest cover and foliage. The forests receive rain every day and are therefore known as rainforests. A leaf that might take 1 year to decompose in a regular climate will disappear in 6 weeks in the equatorial climate. Giant anteaters live in this layer. Some trees growing abundantly in this region are rosewood, ebony, mahogany, rubber, cinchona, and so on. We can also see different kinds of creepers, climbers, plants, and other trees. Crops like cassava, banana, sugarcane, rice, and corn are also cultivated. Minerals. The equatorial region is rich in mineral wealth. Tin is the most important mineral of this region. People in this region work on mining projects. Minerals like uranium, copper, diamonds, and petroleum are found here. The Zaire River is not only the 5th longest river in the world, but also ranks second only to the Amazon River in the amount of water it carries. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world and is also called the lungs of the earth. fauna. Being abundantly gifted with ample rain and adequate sunlight, the equatorial rainforests have a rich and vast wildlife. With animals like zebra, giraffe, deer, gazelle, elephant, leopard, hyena, etc. found here. People of the Amazon forest. Rainforest people are short, which makes their movement through the forest easy. They make their clothes from materials around them, such as softened tree bark. Smoke from fires drives away insects. Their shelters are covered with waxy leaves to keep out the rain. Various tribes live in tropical rainforests, such as the Pygmies in Central Africa, the Lumat people in the southern Philippines, and the Amazonian Indians of South America. These people are nomads. They are basically gatherers of honey, nuts, and fruits. They also hunt animals for food. The tools used by these people are bows, arrows, pipes, and spears. Men and women dress up in the same manner.